This is my review of a laptop backpack with a USB charging port. I just wanted to share this backpack that I purchased. It's very large. It's what I needed, and I wanted to share different features that I use daily. I really enjoy being organized, so it has different compartments that I use. It has a front compartment as well as a rear, so I have a lot of room. Also, it has different compartments that is organized, and I love it. Also, I can put my laptop, my different devices and material in the inside. Also, I want to say that this backpack supports up to a 15-inch laptop and many other devices. It comes with a USB charging port. I thought that was great for traveling. And also it comes with a beverage holders on each side. Also, I thought was great that I used, it's a back supporting strap that is adjustable. I can adjust it when it gets too tight or too loose. I thought that was great. Also, this would really took the suitcase strap. A lot of times I be overloaded with my backpack, so I sometimes need a break and take it off my shoulder and back. So I need something like this, the suitcase strap, which I can take and put it over the suitcase rack and slide it down and connect it with the suitcase, so I can give my back and shoulder a relief. I thought that was great for me. Like, where is the support? No, 8, nothing. Like, where is it? Look everywhere.